Yo, what's up, guys? Going to be going over where I'm at right now in trading and just how the market's going and stuff. Cause right now the Nasdaq is at all-time highs, and there's also other reasons why that the market's a little bit more slow and just not as attractive and not giving me as much opportunity as I would prefer. So today I'm gonna be going over. Well, in this video, I'm going to be going over how I'm going to adapt to this new market environment. So, I'm going to introduce you guys to Forex and how we are going to be trading that as well as crypto. But crypto and Forex are very different. I'm going to be going over Forex first and how in depth that goes because it's a bit different than indices as well. So for the Forex pairs, I'm going to be choosing Euro USD and GBP USD. I feel like those are the ones that perform the best and have the most volume and most direction and the least amount of chop. Of course, it's like a little bit choppy, but they're all kind of like that, you know. So yeah, so we got those GBP USD and Euro USD and I compare it to the US dollar. So it's literally the opposite of the US dollar. So I compare and contrast which lows get taken, which highs get taken, and I base that off of my overall bias, where we are relative to the next high or low or PD array, which is a fair value gap or order block, etc. But and yeah, I look at the T-bond futures rates. I got the 30-year, 10-year, and the 5-year. I basically just mark out some structure on the 30-year and mark out all the SMTs in all the interest rates. So as you can see, we had bullish ones here, targeting this high in this fair value gap. So I'm expecting us to target this high exactly, and this consequent encroachment here of this wick. Yeah, we've been making progress here ever since we touched the consequent encroachment of the daily fair value gap, and yeah, we started pushing higher. So yeah, this is like the determining factor of where the dollar is going. So if the T-bonds are going higher, you can expect a lower dollar. As you can see, dollar goes lower on a higher time frame, as you can see. And I also compare the dollar, like I said, to the Forex pairs. And that's pretty much it for that on my explanation of how I go about looking at the Forex pairs. And yeah, literally, like, I'm gonna be trading also not Bitcoin, but I'll be trading Ethereum and Solana. Of course, I need Bitcoin there because I want to weigh it with the rest of the crypto coins. That's what I'm gonna be using it for. And yeah, so what depends which highs and lows are taken, and just see what SMTs are forming in the PD is basically the same thing as the Forex pairs. Yeah, it's just that I'm gonna be swing trading these, so I'm expecting probably 1 to 2 trades for crypto. So because it's basically the same thing, I just want to choose the stronger asset to take the trade with. So I'm expecting maybe like 1 or 2 trades within the crypto space and 1 to 2 trades a week within the Forex space. What I basically am going to be looking for is, we'll just go over all this on, why not, like, let's like Ethereum. Let's do this. Ethereum. When you swing trade, you want to be looking at the overall move of the weekly candlestick, not daily, not session, but the weekly, and what the weekly could possibly target. So for this example, we literally have, well, for this one, we came into a discounted array, a weekly discounted array, and went up and took a weekly high up. So that's an example. We could be also targeting a weekly fair value gap, weekly, new weekly, we could target a new weekly opening gap, stuff like that with consequent encroachments, yeah, stuff like that. But yeah, I'm going for like the weekly draw. I'm not going to target it. I'm going to target arrays in that direction. So I have the most highest probability of winning, you know? So it's literally going to be the same setups as my day trading account. I'm just going to be taking the entries on a higher time frame. So instead of the 1 minute time frame, I'm going to be doing the 5 minute, the 15 minute, and maybe the hourly. Like, I don't think the hourly's not bad. Like, to here, it's not too bad. But probably mostly the 15 minute or the 5 minute are my entries, and I'm expecting these trades to last about between 5 hours and maybe 1 to 2 days. It really depends, but yeah, something like that. And like I said, we're probably gonna get like 1 to 2 trades per asset class a week, which is cool with me. I'll be posting all my breakdowns of my swing trading setups and projections, and my day trading setups and projections on my Discord, which will be announced and launched this week. And feel free to join that. But yeah, that's pretty much it on this topic. I really just want to go over what was new with my day trading. Just that it's kind of slow right now, so I'm kind of adapting and putting my knowledge towards other spaces, so like swing trading and crypto and forex. I'm just going to be putting more time into that, and also still doing the day trading, of course. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, yeah, like, I'm starting up a Discord, so if you guys want to check that out, that would be amazing. Go check out my Instagram, which is Jak-Tradez. And yeah, like, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. You guys have a good night. Check out my Instagram, all my socials. There'll be a link in the description below. Go check that stuff out. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.